With the knee bent 30 to 45 degrees, step through the brace and then slide it up your leg. Align the Össur logo with the top of your kneecap. Fit strap number 1 first. Next, fasten strap number 2. Be careful not to over-tighten the top 2 straps, as this can cause the brace to slip down. Continue fastening strap number 3. Tightening this strap will pull the hinges towards the back of your knee. Lastly, fasten strap number 4 and tighten until the hinges are aligned with the midline of your knee. Readjust strap number 3 if necessary. Adjust strap number 5 only if needed to improve brace comfort or suspension. When removing the brace, undo each strap and ensure you attach the straps back to themselves. This will make it easier when fitting the brace next time and will prolong the life of the straps.